Welcome back to Monkey Meow Cosplay. Today I'll be showing you how to do Angela's roller skating makeup from Season 4 of Stranger Things. First, make sure you have some reference pictures of her as you are doing this. I'm going to start off by putting on some moisturizer from Olay so that the makeup does not dry out my skin. Now I'm going to start off by taking a wedge sponge and putting some foundation on the thicker end to dab over my eyebrows so I can recolor them with eyeshadow. It is important that you do the eyebrows before the foundation so I won't mess it up. Since Angela is blonde, her eyebrows are more of a dark brown and mine are more black. So I don't need to put on too much foundation though because I'm just going to go from black to dark brown. Now I'm going to take this light shade of brown and put it all over my eyebrow. Once I feel like there is enough coverage of it, I'm going to take the darker shade of brown to put it on top. Now I'm taking an angled brush to fill in a rounder shape to make it look more like hers. I'm also going to do under my eyebrow a little bit. Angela's eyebrows are rounder and thicker where mine are more arched, so that is what I'm trying to fix here. Once done, I'm going to take the wedge sponge and clean up the excess eyeshadow and foundation around the edges, and then I'm just going to do the exact same thing on my other eyebrow. Next, I'm going to take some of the same foundation and put it on my face. I'm not going to put too much emphasis on my forehead though, since the bangs are going to cover it anyway. Then here I'm taking the light shade that I used for my eyebrows and this more nude one to contour my face. The tip of her nose is smaller than mine, so I'm going to try and recreate that. Now onto the eyeshadow. Hers is a grayish light blue, so I'm going to start off with some black eyeshadow very lightly. A dark gray would probably be better, but I don't have one. Also, I'm going to go under my eye and smudge it a little bit. Then I'm going to take these 3 shades of blue from this other palette and go over it. I'm going to first use the 2 darker of the 3 and then dab on some of the lighter one because it has some glitter and shine to it. With the eyeliner, I'm going to go very light since she doesn't have much of it, and I'm going to smudge it out and do a really tiny wing, and then of course the same thing for the other eye. For mascara, I'm going to curl my eyelashes and go very light on both my upper and lower lashes. Angela also has 2 small beauty marks on the left side of her face, one on her chin and one right above her lip. So I'm going to draw these on with a brown brow pencil, and I think it's the little details like this that give you a good finished product, so that's why I'm doing this. Now I'm just going to get some of the red and pink eyeshadow from the Rock Candy palette to use as blush. The eyeshadow stays on longer and looks pretty good in my opinion, and I'm also going to put a little bit over my nose. For the lips, I just used a little bit of Aquaphor for a bit of a shimmer since she doesn't particularly have any color or lipstick or anything. And lastly, I'm going to use the Maron, I think that's how you pronounce it, setting powder in neutral to set this off. Again, less is more for this also, so I'm just going to put a little bit on the lid and then get it with the same blush brush and put it on. I'm going to go over my eyebrows as well since I did a lot on them. Now it is time for the wig. And that is the completed look. Now, I'm going to just add some blood to recreate after 11 hit her with the skate, so if that's what you're going for, keep watching. I am using black eyeshadow on an angled brush to mark out where all the blood will go. It all is coming out from in between her eyebrows where she got hit, so I'm going to color in that whole part with black eyeshadow. This also helps it look darker and more realistic once you put the blood on, as most bloods are a little too light for my liking. The blood I am using is just some vampire blood from Amazon, and I'm going to put it on by letting it drip and moving my head accordingly so it'll follow the lines that I drew. I'm also going to dab it in between my eyebrows and use this wedge sponge that I have specifically for blood only. Also, make sure that you have foundation on your face before putting on the blood, as it does kind of leave a mark, and you don't want that on your face. Also, that's why I have a piece of paper under my head while I'm doing this, and be careful to not let it get into your nose and mouth. And that is the finished look. That is all for this video, so thank you for watching and be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.